How to fix Hinge verification code email not received. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix Hinge app's verifications email code not received. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're not receiving a Hinge verification code via email, first of all, start by ensuring that you have a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, make sure that you are logged into your Gmail application or whichever email app you're using for your Hinge, right? And make sure you have access to that exact email and log into that exact email account from here. And try to refresh it a couple of times. If it's not working, it could have been sent to the junk folder. So tap the three lines icon and go to the spam or trash option. Sometimes on the spam folder it might have been sent, so you want to make sure that's the case as well. If none of these are working, if you have got an alternative email account, you can try to use the alternative email account. And on Hinge also, do not try from the same page over and over again. Try to restart it again and see if that helps you solve the problem. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.